guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I have a 50th birthday party centerpiece and setup. Here we go. So I've gotten quite a few requests to make a 50th birthday party centerpiece, and I don't want to neglect my mature ladies because 50 is such a special milestone. So let's make it classy, ladies. All right, let's get started. So I purchased the biggest number I could find at Hobby Lobby. These are 16 inches paper mache numbers in the number 5 and 0 to make the number 50. And I actually purchased this way too big for my table because my display table that you guys see all the time only sits 4. But this is perfectly okay if you're going to have tables that sit 8 to 10 people. And you can also use it for a dessert table, welcome table, or gift table. All right, so now the first thing I'm going to do is spray paint my number 50 in metallic silver. And here we go. What you want to buy is this full roll of diamond wrap. You can also buy the 5 roll. This is the biggest the Dollar Tree has, but the problem with that is that it's not going to be enough to cover the whole thing here. The reason why I want you to use the whiter diamond wrap because you're going to have to patch it up and you're able to see the lines, you know what I mean? So if you use the smaller ones, then you're going to see more lines. So the less lines, the more polished it will look. So now I'm going to measure and cut what I'm going to use right here on top, and then I'm going to start gluing with my hot glue gun. All right, so now right here, I am going to go all the way back or under, right here. All right. Since I'm going to fold this down, I don't need this little piece right here, so I'm going to cut this off. I should have went all the way through. I was saying that's what you need to do, but I wasn't doing it. What's up with that? All right, so let me fix that really quick. And so far so good. Now I'm going to add a little piece right here. So this part is done. Now I'm going to do this part right here, and I'm just going to follow it all the way through except for this little spot right here because I'm going to put a stand on it. All right, so that looks good. So far so good. Now I'm going to do the inside up here, which again is going to be pretty easy. I'm going to lay this whole thing right on top, and I'm going to center it, okay? And then I'm going to cut here. I'm going to have to literally cut this shape on here. Now I'm going to glue this part, leaving this part right here without any wrap, okay? So somewhere around here. And here I have the letter O, and this is going to be pretty easy. You are going to cut a strip similar to this one, and you are going to glue it inside, and then you are going to also cut one long strip or 2 pieces. I did 2 pieces because that's what I had. I have some of this left over, and I'm going to place it right here. They're going to meet in the middle, and then don't forget to leave a little room right here so you can place your stand. For the top part, I'm just going to lay the diamond wrap right on top, and I'm going to cut one strip here, and then I'm going to cut a second one over here, and they are going to meet in the middle, and then I'm going to cut. And here's what it looks like so far. And before I move on to the next step, I wanted to add one more thing. This is totally optional, but this is a metallic silver paint marker. This will be good to keep handy in case some of your diamonds on the wrap turn black. Once you start handling it, some of them chip. So if you have this, you can just dab on it and it looks brand new. Also, you can also use it for the glue to camouflage some of the glue, because once the glue dries, it turns white. So you can use this to cover that up. Now I'm going to place my numbers on stands, and I'm going to place them on 2 separate stands. So each number is going to have their own stand. And the stand is going to consist of a round candle holder and a taper candle holder. Both items are from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to turn the round candle holder over, and I'm going to glue the taper right on top. E6000 takes 24 hours to fully bond, so I would suggest for you to make your stands 24 hours prior to making your numbers. I already had this too from a previous project, so ta-da! It feels like a cooking show. Yeah, so I already had these, so I'm going to now glue the number on top of my stands. I'm adding E6000 to the inner area of the taper right here on top. And then I'm going to add hot glue to the outer so it can keep the number standing. And here's what they look like standing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of flowers and some feathers. I'm going to start decorating my numbers with white feathers. These are 10 inches long and they look like this when they came in the packet from Amazon. And this is a wire and I just pulled it off. And I'm just going to start gluing with hot glue. Now I'm going to add white roses from Hobby Lobby, but you can definitely add whatever color flowers you would like on your numbers. White is just what I prefer, okay? So I'm just going to pull them off and I'm just going to start gluing. I'm going to grab a couple of the leaves that came with the roses and I'm going to place them around the roses. For the bottom of the number, I'm going to leave the leaves on and I'm going to cut the stem very short so it's pretty much gone. The only thing that is holding is the leaf, and I'm just going to apply hot glue and I'm just going to glue it to the stand. I'm going to add little pieces of feather right in between flowers. And here it is. So pretty. Love it. And here's my finish, number 5. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish my number 0 and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is it. This is my 50th birthday party centerpiece and it is glam and I love it. Ladies, you are going to love this centerpiece. It is beautiful. And if you are going to make this centerpiece for a gentleman, just go ahead and take off the flowers unless that's what he likes. So as far as a centerpiece, if you are going to use this on the table, make sure that you add flowers to the back of the 5. I did not add flowers to the back of the 5 because I ran out of flowers. So if you are going to use flowers on the back of the 5, you are going to need 2 bouquets of roses. But it is absolutely stunning and I am so proud of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe right now. Also, if you know someone that can use this centerpiece, make sure to share this video with them right now. Well, wait till the end of the video and then share it. And make sure to leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this centerpiece, and leave me a comment anyway because I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. Until next time,